Subscribe my channel Let's Know Everything and click on bell icon to get every latest new updates. Hello friends, my name is Sujay. Welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, this is my Indian polity and constitution related multiple choice question answer part 2 video. If you haven't seen my part 1 video of this series yet, then go to the description box. I have given the link of this video. Friends, if you are preparing for SSC, PSC, IAS, UPSC, UPPSC, banking and civil services exams, then you should definitely watch it. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question. Who can pardon a sentence of death? A. President, B. The Parliament, C. The Prime Minister, D. The Supreme Court. Right answer option A. The President. Yes friends, the President of India can grant a pardon or reduce the sentence of a convicted person. Next question. According to which article the President can pardon a sentence of death? A. Article 70, B. Article 72, C. Article 73, D. Article 75. Right answer option B. Article 72. Question number 3. The idea of national emergency in India was taken from which country's constitution? A. Germany, B. Ireland, C. Russia, D. United States. Right answer will be option A. Germany. Question number 4. How many languages are there in India with official status? 22 languages are there in India with official status. And these 22 official languages are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhu, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. And Hindi is the national language of India. Let's go to the next question. Question number 5. How many languages are there on Indian currency notes? Right answer will be 17 languages. And these 17 languages are Assamese, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Among these 17 languages, 15 languages are printed on one side of the note and 2 languages, English and Hindi, on the other side. Friends, you should know there are more than 19,500 languages or dialects are spoken in India, and we can't practically put each and every language on the note, and that's why only 17 most widely spoken language in India are taken into consideration to write on Indian currency note. Is that cleared? Next question. Question number 6. Who signs on 1 rupee currency note in India? A. The President, B. Governor of RBI, RBI means Reserve Bank of India, C. Finance Minister of India, D. Finance Secretary of India. Right answer option D. Finance Secretary of India. Yes friends, only 1 rupee note bears the signature of Finance Secretary of India, while other notes bear the signature of Governor of RBI. Got it? Next question. Question number 7. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, or who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? A. The President of India, B. The Prime Minister of India, C. The Vice President of India, D. The Chief Justice of India. The ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha is the Vice President of India. Question number 8. Who is the chairman of Lok Sabha? Right answer will be option B. Speaker. Question number 9. Who is known as the father of Lok Sabha? A. G.B. Mavalankar, B. Ravi Ray, C. P.A. Sangma, D. Balram Jakar. Right answer will be option A. G.B. Mavalankar. Full name Ganesh Basudev Mavalankar. Question number 10. If the President wants to resign from office, whom does he address his resignation to? If the President wants to resign from his office, then he or she has to address his resignation to the Vice President. Next question. Question number 11. Who said the preamble is the key to the Constitution? A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Chakraborty Rajagopalachari, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar said the preamble is the key to the Constitution. Question number 12. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from the Constitution of USA. Question number 13. The longest written constitution in the world is the Constitution of India. Question number 14. How much time did it take to write the Constitution of India? The time taken by the Constituent Assembly to prepare Constitution is 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Question number 15. The Parliament of India consists of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and the President. Question number 16. Rajya Sabha or Upper House is also known as the Council of States. Question number 17. Lok Sabha or Lower House is also known as the House of the People. Question number 18. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? Right answer will be option B, 245 members. Among these 245 members, 233 members are elected by the legislatures of the states and union territories, and 12 members are nominated by the President of India for their contribution to arts, literature, science and social services. Got it? Next question. Question number 19. How many members are there in the Lok Sabha? Right answer option C, 543 members. And for your kind information, Lok Sabha had total 545 members, and among these 545 members, 2 members of Anglo-Indian community were nominated by the President of India, which was abolished in January 2020 by 104th Constitutional Amendment Act 2019. Therefore, in present, Lok Sabha has total 543 members. I hope it is clear to you. Let's go to the next question. Question number 20. How many articles were there originally in Constitution of India? Right answer option A, 395 articles. Yes friends, when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January in 1950, then Constitution had 395 articles divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. But at present, Indian Constitution has total 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. Remember very carefully. Next question. Question number 21. Who was the first Foreign Minister of Free India? A. Swaran Singh, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Gulzarilal Nanda, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The first Foreign Minister of Free India was Jawaharlal Nehru. Still now, he is the longest serving Foreign Minister of India with 17 years from September 1946 to May 1964. And you know that Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Question number 22. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. Sukumar Sen, B. Kalyan Sundaram, C. S.P. Sen Verma, D. Nagendra Singh. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen. He served as the first Election Commissioner of India from 21st March 1950 to 19 December 1958. Question number 23. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. Chief Justice of India, B. Parliament of India, C. Prime Minister of India, D. President of India. President of India appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Question number 24. Indian Constitution was amended for the first time in 1951. Question number 25. Who is the constitutional head of the country? A. President of India, B. Vice President of India, C. Prime Minister of India, D. Chief Justice of India. Right answer, President of India. Question number 26. The executive head of our country is Prime Minister of India. Question number 27. Who is the constitutional head of the state? A. Governor, B. Chief Minister, C. Prime Minister, D. President. Governor is the constitutional head of the state. Question number 28. The executive head of a state government is Chief Minister. Question number 29. Which article is described as the heart and soul of the Constitution, or which article is referred to as the jewel of the Constitution? Right answer, Article 32. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar described Article 32, right to constitutional remedies, as the heart and soul of the Constitution, because this article gives individual right to a person who can move to the Supreme Court to seek justice when he feels that his right has been unduly deprived. Question number 30. Which Indian artist decorated the handwritten copy of the Constitution? A. Raja Ravi Verma, B. Mihir Sen, C. S.N. Banerjee, D. Nandalal Bose. The right answer of this question is option D, Nandalal Bose. Question number 31. What was the total number of members in the drafting committee of Constitution? The total number of members in the drafting committee of Constitution was 7. Question number 32. Who appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Right answer will be option A, President of India. Yes friends, the President of India appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Question number 33. Who was the first President of India? A. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Zakir Hussain, D. V.V. Giri. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India from 26 January 1950 to 13 May 1962. Question number 34. The President can make proclamation of emergency under Article 352. Last and final question. Question number 35. According to the Indian Constitution, the vacancy in the office of the President of India shall be filled within 6 months. Yes friends, according to the Indian Constitution, the vacancy in the office of the President of India shall be filled within 6 months. Friends, I think you like the video. If you like it, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get latest videos from my channel. Thank you friends for being with me and watching this video. Thank you so much.